tired of this dishwasher. It's always something. What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Hope you guys enjoyed that intro. It was a little bit fun to make. But anyway, this video is about how to fix your Samsung Dishwasher LCLE error code coming up on your dishwasher. I know, super annoying, okay? But stay tuned. I'm going to show you guys exactly what's wrong with your dishwasher and exactly how to fix it, or at least I'm going to do my best to do that. Now, if you don't feel comfortable doing any of that, you should 100% hire a repairman to come out, take a look at it. Also, check and see if your dishwasher is under warranty. That might actually fix your problem. You just call Samsung support. They may be able to come out and fix it free of charge if your Samsung dishwasher is under warranty. If it's not, let me try to help you. Comment down in the comment section below if this video helped you. Don't forget to like, and don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content just like this one. What the LCLE error code is, I don't know if you've Googled it or not, but it is a leak detection error code, okay? So basically what's happened is you've got water built up into the water sensor that's underneath the bottom of the pan in your dishwasher. So I've already taken my dishwasher out. So again, there's a leak in your dishwasher. Here's the issue. On some of the older Samsung dishwashers, in my opinion, now this isn't proven, but in my opinion, they've changed it since these older ones. But the pan, you know what, you guys are going to end up saying, you talk too much. I'm just trying to give you some more information. I know somebody's going to comment that down below. But there's a pan underneath. It looks like the pins are reset. So like they all have to be touching water at the same time for that sensor to go off. So you've probably got standing water up underneath your dishwasher. So let's check it out. All right, so the first thing that we're going to want to do, once we've pulled the dishwasher out from underneath the cabinet top, unfortunately, you're going to have to do that. You've already got power turned off. We are going to take this dishwasher and we're going to flip it on its one of its sides. Right-hand side would probably be better, just so we don't pinch the water and the drain hose that connects to the sink. To do that, you know, you've paid a lot of money for this dishwasher, so what we're going to do is we're going to lay something soft on the floor, and you don't want to scratch up your floor either, so try to find like a rug or a blanket or something that you don't care that gets wet. Just find something soft. I actually took the top felt, well, I don't know if it's felt, the top cushion that's really like to absorb heat and vibration. I took it loose. You know, obviously you can see it's not here, but I took it loose. That's what I'm going to set mine on, just so the side of it doesn't get scratched up. So go ahead and find you that right now. Now that we've got the underside exposed, there are some tabs up here at the top. There may also be a screw, so go get you a Phillips screwdriver or whatever head it is. And we want to undo it. There's tabs. You can see them 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and they just snap into place. Just pull those and release it, and then you want to release the cable that connects the sensor to the dishwasher. So now that we've got it removed, that's what this one looks like. Okay, so 4 wires. There's a sensor. All right, so now the next thing you want to do, take your screwdriver. You want to get your screwdriver. You don't have to use a drill. You could use a regular screwdriver, and you just want to unscrew the sensor. Okay? All right? Don't drop it. Anyway, you may, since you have a leak, you may actually see tons of water build up, so keep in mind. Also, I should have told you this before you turn the dishwasher over, but there will be water in there, so you may have to vacuum it out or take towels or something to get the water out. Otherwise, you might leak all over the floor a little bit. So keep that in mind. Look underneath the sensor, right? So what we want to do is we want to get some towels. We want to get paper towels, okay, and we want to dry up this area. Okay, so the sensor itself doesn't actually touch the bottom, but it does come down enough so that if this whole area, remember it's sitting flat under there, so if you've got a leak and water builds up in here, it's going to hit those prongs and immediately give you an LC error on your dishwasher. So we're going to clean this up because it's filthy, and then you're going to see these, okay? You want to, the pins, not just these, but the pins. So just be careful with them. Just kind of take a towel and dry them, blow in there if you have to. Ugh, maybe not with your mouth, but anyway, dry it. You can leave it over, like if you have vents in your floor, you could leave it over the vent, just something with airflow, or maybe use a hair dryer in like a low heat setting to dry it out. Just something like that. Just make sure that all the water is completely gone from the inside of your sensor, okay? All right, then once you've done that, once you've dried both of these off, you're gonna want to reinstall this, but we're not done yet, so stay tuned. Okay, so we don't want to do it too hard. Set this to the side. All right, so the next thing we want to do is we want to check the drain line to make sure that there's no clogs. So just take some pliers. All right, we want to look in the drain line and look up in here. Just make sure that there's nothing that seems like it's clogged. So there's actually a ball that's inside of here that keeps it from, if you could see that or not, that keeps the water from coming back in through. So we will put that back in place because there's no leaks there, but man, it's not coming in or out anywhere. Alright, now that that's done, we want to reinstall the bottom. Okay, so plug your harness back up. Whoops, plug these in. Push it in and then reinstall your screw. If you guys have a garbage disposal, also don't forget to check your garbage disposal. If it's clogged up or something, that could also cause the water to back up from the dishwasher when it's trying to drain. So check that, check the line, undo your garbage disposal, and check that side as well. It might be clogged up, and that might actually be your problem. So keep that in mind whenever you're doing this repair. So that's it, guys. That's really all that there is to it. Once you got your dishwasher hooked back up, you got the bottom pan put back on, you've got the sensor dried off and reinstalled, and you've got all the water cleaned up in your floor so you don't damage your floor. Get it back up on its side, turn the power back onto the dishwasher, and let's try it out. That's it, it works. So anyway, I hope you guys have enjoyed this video, and if you've tried these steps, leave me a comment down in the comment section below. Let me know in this video, in the comment section, how this video has helped you. Leave me a like and comment. I already said that. Didn't I say that? Yeah. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, comment down in the comment section below, and don't forget to text that guy or that girl that you're talking to, okay? I'm just kidding. I mean, you should. For me, because I helped you, right? Text them.